Hello guys, you are watching M.Shakeel Sahir educational channel. Welcome to my educational channel. Today our topic is equilibrium and we will also discuss the conditions for equilibrium. Let's start. A book lying on the table in equilibrium position, weight of book act in downward direction while the reaction of table acts in upward direction, both forces cancel effect of each other. A car moving with uniform velocity on a leveled road and an aeroplane flying in the air with uniform velocity are the examples of bodies in equilibrium. A body is said to be in equilibrium if no net force acts on it. A body in equilibrium thus remains at rest or moves with uniform velocity. How many conditions for equilibrium? Do you know? If you are new in our channel, then please subscribe our channel. Keep watching for more videos. There are two conditions for equilibrium. Number 1, sum of all forces should be equal to 0. Number 2, sum of torque should be equal to 0. A body is said to satisfy first condition for equilibrium if the resultant of all the forces acting on it is 0. Let n number of forces F1, F2, F3, so on Fn are acting on a body such that the sum of all forces is equal to 0. Here you can see in picture that sigma F is equal to 0 mean the total sum of forces equal to 0. Sigma is a Greek letter, it means summation. The first condition for equilibrium can also be stated in terms of x and y components of the forces acting on the body as: a wall hanging is in equilibrium, a paratrooper coming down with terminal velocity is in equilibrium, a book lying on a table is at rest and thus satisfy first condition for equilibrium. The body is not in equilibrium although the first condition for equilibrium is still satisfied. It is because the body has the tendency to rotate. This situation demands another condition for equilibrium in addition to the first condition for equilibrium. This is called second condition for equilibrium. According to this, a body satisfies second condition for equilibrium when the resultant torque acting on it is 0. Mathematically it can be written as